Puro beer house na lang bang gagawin yung raid? Mag-raid naman kayo. Ano?
Sir, will comply on that.
Tagal na po yan. The fact, huwag nyo sabihin na hindi nakarating, hindi nasapul ng radar ninyo yan. I wouldn't believe. Kung yung nagka-Carey Cruz nga, sapul ng radar ninyo, hinuhuli nyo, Carey Cruz. Yung mga natutupada niya, nahuhuli nyo. Pero pag ito, mas malaking issue, marijuana online. Di ba, sir? Do you agree?
Will comply on that.
Okay,
sir.
isang tanong naman, sir. So, bakit hindi nasapul sa radar niyo ito, sir? Bakit nakalusot po? Okay po yun, sabi niyo may mga nahuli kay buy bust sa labas. Ang gusto ko po online. So, bakit hindi po nasapul sa radar niyo? Bakit, in short, bakit hindi nakarating sa inyong kaalaman?
I think we will be extending our operations on based on online platforms.
So alam nyo na mayroong nagtitinda ng mga marijuana online pero hindi yung ginagalaw. Kasi sabi nyo, paigtingin nyo na. At kasama na yung sa online. So dati pala, alam nyo na, kaya lang online, sige, exempted muna kayo, dito lang kami sa labas.
Not necessarily, sir, but because our operation, sir, in particular in this law, sir, is always in coordination and collaboration with the agency primary responsible, sir, in implementing the this particular law, sir. Yes, sir.
Make it short na lang, sir, last, okay. Lahat ng mga gumagawa ng illegal online, dapat binabantayan nyo, sir. Gumagawa kayo ng traffic operation, hinuhuli nyo po, sir. And I commend you, sabi mo, marami na kayong nahuli sa labas. Nagtitinda ng illegal drugs. Okay, well and good, thank you. How about dun sa online? Hindi nyo ginagalaw. Yun po yun, sir. Di ba, sir, nakakataas kilay? Tama? Pinapayagan nyo na magbenta ng vape sa inyong platform.
Good morning, Mr. Chair, Senator Tulfo. Actually, we have policies in place that are compliant with the vape law. It just so happens that perhaps there are some bad actors on the internet that are able to sidestep the regulations that we have in place. Like for example, for Shopee, we actually require all our sellers of vape products to post their business registration documents and their BIR registration on their seller page. And we also we have proactive measures wherein we screen the platform and we do sweeps so that sellers or products that are not compliant will be taken down.
Po, mama, attorney, kasi pag binibenta mo ito online, madali nang makabili ang mga kabataan natin, mga minors. Kasi unlike yung sa tindahan na pupunta doon physically at hanapan ng ID, o ikaw ba ay 21 years old, papakita yung ID niya, o sige, go. Pero pag sa online na, kahit na siguro 10 years old, pwedeng bumili.
Mr. Chair, on Shopee, we have strict age verification systems wherein we require buyers of, particularly to vape products, we require buyers to verify their age. So we use the ID that they submit when they open an e-wallet account. So we rely on the ID that they submit for that to verify if they are actually above the age requirement, which is 18 years old. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Okay, pero pwede pa naman silang gumamit ng ibang account. Pwede silang mag-utos, pwede silang makiusap. Tama? That's still possible.
Unfortunately, Mr. Chair.
Yeah. At isa pa yung sa Facebook at TikTok, wala mang ginagawa ating gobyerno para kausapin yung Facebook at saka TikTok. Nagkalat yung pagbebenta ng vape sa TikTok, sa Facebook, DTI. Hindi ba kayo nagpag-usap sa mga ito?
Mr. Chair, the DTI, well, pursuant to the vape law, only registered brands should be allowed to be sold online, registered with DTI as well as BIR. Now,
Sir, para hindi ka mahirapan, simplify ko ng tanong ko. Pag pumunta ka sa Facebook, sa TikTok, one to sawa imbentahan ng vape doon. Person to person na. Okay, wala nang check ng ID. Ang point ko dito is, bakit hindi nyo kausapin sa Facebook kasi TikTok tungkol sa isyong ito? You sit down with them and you tell them na mukhang may problema ata tayo, especially sa mga kabataan natin na kahit na sino pwede nang bumili.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Kinakausap po namin ang Facebook, Shopee, Lazada, TikTok, Carousel. And since August 2023, they have taken down combined 4,539,229 posts or accounts.
That's exactly what I
And,
want to hear, sir. Thank
Opo.
you.
And however, like what Shopee mentioned earlier, meron pong mga nakakalusot. For example, instead of putting vape dun sa advertisement nila, lalagay nila for example chocolate or ice cream. So nakakalusot po itong mga ganito, but together po with other agencies like the BIR, we are also doing sweeps, and as well as the platforms themselves, they're also doing sweeps. For another measure po, we recently drafted a policy to govern the online sales. This has been subjected to public consultation already. In there, we are recommending ways for effective age gating measures that's required under the vape law. Ang nakalagay po kasi dun sa vape law is to ensure that yung individuals below 18 years of age hindi po sila makapag-access. So, ang nangyayari po, yung previous na nakikita po natin na practice na self-declaration, are you 18 or older, yung ganong practice po, we do not allow that kasi madali pong dayain yun. We're waiting lang po for the policy to be finalized, and we'll be publishing the policy, Mr. Chair.
Okay, itong ano ko din sa sa BIR, Customs and DTI. Meron pa kayong ginagawang entrapment operations dito sa mga nagtitinda ng vape illegally sa online? Kasi pwede mo ipa-down o di lusot yung gumawa ng illegal na aktibidad. Dapat meron ding masampulan.
Yes, Mr. Chair. On the part of the DTI po, meron na po kaming dine-develop right now na kasi we've seen, meron po kami nakitang network ng sellers and resuppliers, suppliers, warehouse.
Sir, dine-develop pa lang. Dapat kahapon pa na-develop na ito.
Mr. Chair, yung gumawa po kami ng mapa ng mga individuals. Once na ma-complete po namin ito, we'll be submitting the data to the DOJ for the proper filing of
Gumawa
formal
kayo ng
charges.
entrapment operation, sir. I'm telling you.
I'm
Dapat
sorry
may
po.
mahuli.